In this video, I'm going to show you how to wire transfer money from your bank account to Coinbase. Now, to do this, you're going to need some information of your Coinbase account, more particularly your Coinbase account number and routing number. To find that, open the Coinbase app, then go to the top left and select on these three horizontal lines. Then select on your name and account in settings. Then go ahead and select on payment methods. You will then see a list of all your different payment methods over here, and then you should see an option that says wire transfer. So you just want to go ahead and press on that. Now, wire transfers are incredibly useful because they have no limitations or anything like that. If you're a part of Coinbase One, fees will be waived on wires, so that is definitely another major plus. But anyways, go ahead and select on deposit because we need to deposit money from our bank to our Coinbase. So select on deposit right over here. Then go ahead and verify if your account actually does matches. So to make sure that the deposit is successful, verify that the name on your bank account matches the name of your Coinbase account. So you want to make sure that it is a match. Then all you want to do is you want to scroll down. Then it is going to let you know all of the important information that you will need in order to actually transfer money from your bank to Coinbase. Now, the most important numbers are account number and routing number. So make sure you have those exactly correct. Make sure to copy it. And you really don't want to mess around. Please take your time, man, because if you just mess up one number, then the entire transfer just may not work, or it could go to someone else, which you really don't want that to happen. So guys, just make sure that whenever you're typing in your account and routing number that you do it slowly, take your time, and make sure you're 1000% sure that it is correct. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.